How about choose another shoes?
I can't just choose another shoe. This is the shoe that goes with this outfit. I don't have a plethora of shoes, sir.
Okay.
Ow! Oh my god. My hand.
I'm sorry.
You're so strong. Okay, give me the things I need to carry.
Here you go.
Okay?
Do you want some coffee?
Sure.
Here's your coffee.
Thank you.
Here's my energy drink.
This looks like pee.
It is. And now, time to leave. Let's go.
Let's just go. I gotta get out of here. I'm so glad somebody isn't in this elevator. Imagine I was just holding this bottle of urine. Hey everyone, Han got a new camera. That's the update.
I feel like we need to eat first, right?
Yeah.
I mean, while going there, do you want to go to the pit stop? Oh my god, you're here.
What is a pit stop?
The rest place
No.
from the highway.
Let's just go if we have to go.
Okay, if you're hungry.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna take 3 hours and 33 minutes.
333.
That's actually not a good number.
Really? Is it 333?
Yeah, the devils come out at 3 a.m.
Oh.
333 is what is it called? A divisible?
Why not the...
A multiplier of 6, and 6 is a bad number too. I'll just cover this with my hand. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Adventures with these two idiots, me and him.
I'm not an idiot.
Okay. Today we are going to one of Korea's most famous HANOK villages. Would I be correct in stating that?
It is, right?
Perfect.
The area name is? The answer is?
The area name is Jeonju. Jeonju is a place I've heard about a lot actually while I've been here, but I've never been. And I think that that's one of the first places that I want to cross off while I'm exploring all of Korea's areas. So is this a city? Like city like Daegu?
Mm-hmm.
Or a little bit less?
But smaller than the Daegu.
Smaller? Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna be exploring this today and tomorrow.
I heard like it's snowing over there, so we're gonna check it when we get there.
So the drive there is gonna take 3 hours, which actually isn't that long. I thought it would take more. But I have been working...
Oh, you think it's gonna take more?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna take like 5 hours. I've been crocheting this scarf for his father, and all I need to do now is add the tassels to it. So hopefully it'll take 3 hours to add tassels. But it's gonna look like this. Oh, now we're in a tunnel with some little tassels at the end. Right now it's just clipped on, so I really need to finish that up and like tie them on. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. What are you gonna be doing during this drive?
Sing along the Hamilton or the weekend.
Last night and yesterday we got a good bit of snow. Just a little bit. The roads are still like fine, but I'm excited to see, because wouldn't that be pretty if the little HANOK village had a little bit of snow on it?
Oh, that sounds really nice.
That sounds really nice, right? Just like the little tops. I have no idea what we're planning on doing there. Just exploring the HANOK village and chilling and shopping.
I don't have that much plan.
We don't have any plans. I think we should not plan it and just go on our like vibes of like what's happening, what we see, what's open, because stuff might not be open.
Yeah, it's a Seoul now.
This week is the Seoul holiday, so not a lot of stuff is that open. Alright, we will meet you guys back when we get to Jeonju. Hopefully this drive isn't too bad with any traffic or any snow or anything, especially with the numbers leading to imminent death. So yeah, we'll catch you guys when we get there. Oh my gosh. I got cheese dust everywhere, of course. Okay, so we just braved this to go to the rest stop, the bathroom, and we got a snack. I got this tornado potato, but I think it has some cheese on it. So let's give it a try. I did get the cheese everywhere. Wow, I've actually never had one of these before. Have you tried this?
The last time I tried was like a few years ago.
It's freezing cold now because of the snow.
It's always just so nice.
And then Han got some corn. Get your corn. How are you gonna eat that on the road? They didn't even give you like a handle.
What I need to do is just pull it out like this and bite it like this.
Oh. Oh. Is it good?
It tastes like a rice cake.
Okay. That is not good.
That's just like a corn, not the sweet one. Healthy corn.
I mean, it's good, but it's not sweet at all. Okay. We'll catch back with you later. Oh my god, we came in a blizzard. This is literally a blizzard.
Oh my god, it snows too much.
It's snowing a lot.
Oh my god, it's too much than I thought. It's so beautiful though.
It's so beautiful. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do about that. We're just gonna kind of like walk around and just let... Yeah, we have to wear an umbrella. These people out here having umbrellas. There's so much snow on top of their umbrella. We're just, you know what? This is fun for us to like enjoy the blizzard environment. We haven't really had a good snow in Seoul. So this will be nice.
Oh, look at the car.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
His motorcycle is full of snow. That is so sad.
That was so cute.
That was cute though.
That was so cute.
That was really cute. I think we just have to be careful on the roads and the sidewalks. And you know the HANOK village isn't going to be shoveled.
They will.
You think they will?
Yeah.
Did I finish my tassels? Good question. I think I have only a couple left, honestly. I just have this many left up here. I went for a puff stitch. This is my first time ever doing this type of stitch for crochet. And I really like it. Okay, we're about 7 minutes away from our Airbnb. I mean, the roads aren't shoveled at all. Whoa.
Oh, these places look so beautiful.
It really does. It looks like a winter wonderland here.
Lady first. Oh.
They wrote down stories?
Every day. The last person whose day was 26 to 28.
Okay, this is everything. It's my favorite color. Like, literally everything is this mint green color. So super cute, right? Okay, the options are eucalyptus, lavender. It seems like everybody's been using that. Be good. Lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
That's always my choice. Now, I don't really know what we're gonna do because, like you saw, it's like
Snowing a lot.
snowing a lot.
We can't
And
go to see the snow.
I don't know what we're gonna do now.
We're gonna go out and feel the snow. That's our plan.
Feel the snow and do what? Go to lunch or something?
Yeah, we can grab some lunch out there. There's lots of Korean food.
Whoa, it is really smelling. Do you smell it? Oh my god, come over here. Literally come smell that. It smells so good.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like having an allergic reaction to all this lemongrass now. Okay, we're gonna go find some lunch and then find some things to do, I guess. See what Jeonju is all about when it's a blizzard outside. I can't believe it's blizzarding, the literal only day that we decided to vacation on our vacation, but that's just the way that things go. I feel like we're gonna have to wear our scarves around our heads like little babushkas. All right, let's get ready to brave the snow.
Snowing a lot here. Oh my gosh. Babe, look at this. Oh, can you hear the sound?
Yeah, it's also so quiet. Okay, so where are we going?
HANOK village?
Oh, I thought we were getting something to eat.
Yeah.
Is this the way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The HANOK village have some food around there. Must be. Look at our shoes. I'm making
no.
I'm making a road.
Okay, let's put this away and find our way around.
Okay.
But oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
We can make a snowman later at night.
Okay. You should be happy that I'm not there. Here. Okay, this is a Dolce Motorbike. I'm Virgo.
There's a burger. And you got the what? Oh, on the right side. Can you open it, or do you need some help? Ooh. Oh my god, that's a long
It's always a long one.
read for me, baby.
Oh my Jesus.
낮에는 핫, 가을과 밤에는 책을 읽고 드디어 이단 옷을 입고 향해 돌아갑니다.
You'll finally succeed and going back to your country.
I'm going back to my country, literally. What is going back to country?
You worked so hard for the last year,
Yeah.
and finally you make your own dream, and you're going back to country with something amazing.
What does going back to country mean?
Going back to your hometown
Oh my gosh, I'm going to America. Sorry, babe.
with me.
Sorry, babe.
Ding. Selfie.
My fingers are
My face.
frozen.
My hands.
This feels like an absolute winter wonderland.
Yeah, it is.
And now that we're on this ridge, it's even colder. It's so cold.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm really trying to get a cheese.
Let's
Is
go
it
get the
like
cheese.
a fried cheese or like a
It's like a
Like a
inside
stick?
it's really cheesy, but outside is crusty.
like
I
a
feel like that's it.
like a
That's,
mozzarella stick?
like a mozzarella
It's
stick.
probably like what we have at fairs. The lights are on. I
The
gotta
lights
go.
is
My
on.
toes are actually so cold right now.
Me too. Let's go.
I have to walk.
Let's go in here.
Is it a cafe?
Yeah, it's a cafe.
Okay, let's just go. Can you go first?
Really a mess.
So what are your thoughts on this village? Have you been here before?
Yeah. It's the third time now.
Third time. With all your other girlfriends?
Sabrina.
Did you say sadly? No.
My military base is nearby here.
Really? We can't record long because this is copyright music, I think.
Let's overlap our voice then.
Okay.
The weather is nice today. No, I'm talking. I'm talking. Shh, I'm talking.
I'm the awesomest girlfriend in the world, right?
Ah, yes, you are smarter and funnier than me.
Yes, and I am always right, too.
Yes. Ha ha ha.
It's like a syrup.
That's so gross. It's healthy, right?
It tastes like a soup. I love it. It's really good. It's good actually.
And you could just close it.
It's just different.
Just close it.
I love it.
Okay.
Another thing to see in Jeonju besides the HANOK village is the Jeondong Cathedral. It was built somewhere around the 1910s, and and it is gorgeous to see at night.
Try it, babe. Try
Okay,
it,
this
baby.
is the cheese gooey.
Cheese gooey, yeah. You're gonna drop it. Careful.
This is so good. Try that.
I never tried this.
Isn't that good? Do you love it? Okay.
I wanted
You
to
want to
try
try
this.
this? Okay, this is a cheese hodok, which
Right.
I love.
Why, baby? Just don't surprise and tell me.
This is weird.
Weird?
It doesn't have that much flavor,
Really? Just a cheese?
but it's like sweet.
Is it sweet?
It's sweet, but also doesn't have that much flavor.
Huh.
It's like if I ate 2 of those, I'd get so sick. I don't want to hit it with my glove.
Show me your cheese. Oh my gosh.
Look at this
What is this?
type of stuff.
That's good.
What is this called again?
Choma.
Choma. In English, this is called.
Roof.
Tell me why I still smell the jujube tea. I still smell it in my,
can smell
in
it
my
too.
body. Okay, we're back at the Airbnb and warming up our toes, and my toes are feeling so like itchy. So literally my toes are so uncomfortable. We got some Jeonju makgeolli from Nice to See You. We got some Jeonju makgeolli from there, and so we're just gonna drink that. This Airbnb is really cool because it's actually a projector, like this thing. Don't mind all of our clothes laid out to dry. It's like, it's not a TV, it's a projector. This is the wall, and then a projector, and then we just brought our Google, what is this called? Chromecast. So right now it's just doing an update, but isn't that cool? And so it has this little couch. Isn't that fun? So yeah, what do you think of Jeonju so far? Or you've already been here. Let me tell you what I think of Jeonju so far. I think that it is nicer than the HANOK village in Iksan-dong and Insadong. I think that it's nicer than that. It seems bigger, and it snows, so it was really pretty. So yeah, it made it feel more magical and like a real K-drama. But I think this is a cute place to go for just like a weekend. Yeah, there doesn't seem to be that much stuff to do, but I think it's a very, very beautiful place. Next up tomorrow is hopefully we can go to this like really nice Italian restaurant that has like a whole bunch of pastas that my friend recommended me to go. So hopefully we can go there tomorrow. And also tomorrow, what do you want to do? Nothing? Perfect. This is just like a chillcation.
Yeah.
We need to be careful on the roads because literally the roads were pure ice.
It's just icy, bro.
It's really icy road.
Crash everywhere.
No. So this is good night. Wait, I should pour some makgeolli for us. How to turn this light on? Is there something that says buok? Jubang. Let's see here. We've got a cute little microwave, cute little fridge. Oh, here's the towels. It came with these mugs. Oh my gosh, little art mugs. Usually you have makgeolli in a bowl. Let's see what they have. What? Can we have this for our makgeolli?
Actually, that work.
Does it?
Uh-huh.
Is it cute for us? Okay, let's see here. Let's prepare some makgeolli. This is so boring. This is literally the most boring thing. It's not even cooking. It's literally pouring a drink into a bowl. So this is the thing we got.
I'm sick.
Jeonju makgeolli. My toes are literally like so burning
I can understand.
because of them trying to warm up. So I think you're supposed to
slowly, right? Slowly mix.
Yeah, slowly mix.
Slowly mix. Okay.
Slowly mix.
Is this a good technique I have going here?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You already shake it. It'll like that. I mean, you're gonna like pump now. There's a gas.
There's a gas in here, like a soda?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Let's see how much is appropriate. This feels good. Yeah, did you want it in a wine glass?
Isn't it usually makgeolli drink with a wine glass?
I don't know. This is my second time drinking it. You said we usually drink it in a bowl.
Just kidding, the wine glass.
Oh, just kidding?
Mm.
That's so funny. We
Yeah,
all
right.
laughed. We all thought that was a joke. All right, everyone. Cheers to the new year. Happy Solnal. I'll have this first sip by myself. I hope you all have a great year. It's the year of the snake, so all us snakes, let's stand up and hiss around. Cause some sizzling drama. Cheers. Oh, this one's good. This is better than yesterday's. Well, Jeonju makgeolli. It's really good. I don't know why, but today I can't get out of here in time. We have 20 minutes left till checkout. We did find time to write in the little diary. We wrote on this diary. It won't focus. So what are we doing now? Are we getting lunch?
We are going to get the pasta.
Perfect. Okay, say goodbye to the room. Goodbye, room. This is my outfit today. Just a black turtleneck, black skirt, but with some red stockings, and then I'm gonna wear my black boots again so that I don't get water in my foot. Whoa, these cars are full. That is you touching a car.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, what a snowy day.
And the sun's coming out.
We got 2 pastas and a pizza.
No, we ordered like 3 person.
We ordered 3 people because we have we're holding space. Well, that was Jeonju. How did you like Jeonju? We
Cold as snow.
all we did was like
Buckle up.
freeze. Oh, sorry. It's fun to be in the snow, but oh my god, it is not cold like this in this city at all. Because at first I was like, oh, Korea's not that cold. Girl, she is. 5 hours to go home,
Traffic jam.
but worth it. I'm excited to go home. Thank you guys for following along on this short Jeju travel thing.
Jeju?
Where are we? Oh, we're in Jeonju. We didn't buy anything. We honestly just spent money on food and gas to get here.
Yeah.
And we just had our own fun. The HANOK village though is way better than in Seoul. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll post something again soon. Stay warm where you're living. Have a good day. And we'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
나를 바꾸고 싶어 넌 모두가